CTE Traccess 200. I want to show you guys just how to use the emergency controls in the event that your machine stops operating for some reason. First thing we're going to want to do, make sure that the battery switch is turned to the on position, and then we're going to turn the key on like we would normally do to run the machine. Once the engine is running, come over here to the side of the machine, and you can see we have the cover removed already. Underneath the side cover here, directly below the turntable rotator, you have one knob here. Screw this knob down until it fully stops. And we're going to come to the opposite side of the machine. And just like on our Traccess 230 75-foot model, same thing, fully proportional control. So the more you hold down this lever, the faster your functions are going to operate. Everything's push button on the side of the machine. So your up functions are this way, your down functions are this way, and then to the left of the emergency functions, we have a chart right here that shows how all the functions operate. Once you're done using the emergency procedures and the machine is fully stowed down into the cradle, we're going to go ahead and turn the key back off and power cycle the machine, and then that will clear the error codes.